Are we done fidgeting?
I don't know.
No, I think I gotta pick my nose. I felt
Me too. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyrene, and if you're new here, I like to make videos, and I post every Friday and Sunday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So today, I have here my friends. Who are you?
I'm Lorraine.
And who are you?
I'm Victoria.
Yeah. So today's video is going to be a who's most likely to video. I used to have card.
She does have cards.
I
She
do
just forgot them.
Yeah. So we're just going off of this website. Anyways, let's get on with the video.
Who's most likely to get late in the office? Who's just late to anything? I think we already know this.
Oh.
Wait, can they see? I wrote really small.
I feel like it was both of us.
I feel like it's Kyrene most
Yeah,
of the time.
mainly Kyrene.
Who's most likely to be a detective?
Bro, I don't know.
What?
Okay.
How is it me?
Let's just say Kyrene.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to be self-reliant?
We said Lorraine.
Oh.
I said Lorraine.
I feel like you too.
I feel like.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm really dependent on other people.
Who's most likely to be a ghost?
Oh, if she was here.
I know.
We can't expose her.
Oh yeah, no, right?
She's just missing in action.
Who's most likely to be a child again?
I put
Oh.
Victoria.
I'm
gonna-
with me.
I just put myself. Who is most likely to go for swimming? What does that mean? Who is most likely to be a con artist?
Wow, this is basically just a video of exposing you guys.
Victoria.
Oh
You.
my god.
Can you guys give me a number? Like, no, whenever you give me like one digit once and someone give me a double digit.
7.
Teen.
That's not
17. Okay, who is most likely to hate beauty salons?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You put
we
it-
got it right.
Okay.
We got it right.
They always do you dirty. That's why.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to do a wheelie on a motorcycle?
What is your Oh, I saw yours.
We both did
How is
Victoria.
that me? That's you. You do know how fast you drive?
Okay, I would never ride a motorcycle.
I mean, I'd ride a motorcycle, but I wouldn't do a wheelie. Who is most likely to sing like Michael Jackson? Who are you? I have the talent.
You
I'm
also
a
look like him
Victoria.
too.
Yeah.
You also look like him.
Oh.
Like that one picture.
It wasn't who looks like Michael Jackson.
Okay, but
It was
the looks.
Who sings like
Okay,
him.
I got
Me,
that.
I have the talent.
Who's most likely to have hidden talents? I feel like that's like everyone, but I already have an answer for that too.
I mean, you don't have hidden talents. You're just talented.
I mean, we don't know that. It's hidden.
Who is most likely unable to control a fart in public?
Why would you do that to yourself?
I mean,
You already know. Oh!
I said me.
Yeah.
I should have put Kyrene.
It's both
I mean, it's
of
both
you.
of us.
Wait, who is most likely to start laughing in a pin drop silence?
Oh, I guess it's both of you. I can see it for you.
Yeah, I feel like it's both.
Yeah. We would just look at each other.
Is it both me?
Who's most likely to sleep tight during lectures?
Hi, yeah.
I know.
I've never fallen asleep during a lecture.
Who is most likely to feel sexy while looking at anybody's thighs? No.
Who's most likely to stop breathing if someone stinks?
We should do that.
Like who's gonna die?
Like you just hold your breath.
I already know the answer.
I think I know it too. Who is most likely to stop breathing if someone stinks? Oh my god. You guys are messed up. You guys exposed me with the sexy thighs.
Who is more likely to pierce the belly button? The belly button. Not theirs. Just the.
What the heck?
Oh. I don't get. I don't know.
Who is most likely to file a divorce in a week?
I'm sorry.
What? What does that mean?
I feel like it is you.
I feel like I'm too loyal to even do a divorce.
Why would that
for
be in a
anything?
week? Who is most likely to fall in love with someone they hate?
Wow.
Why is everything
Me?
Yeah.
Why me though?
Well, why me? I feel like this is just a getting to know Victoria video. Jesus.
We all said other people.
You guys both said me.
I changed it.
Wait, what'd you change it to?
I put me.
Who's most likely to do something scandalous? Oh.
Oh.
Okay, I guess we're
Wow,
right.
you guys have me in a good light.
Who is most likely to begin a fight? So for verbal, I put
Did we all put?
Victoria.
Yeah.
For verbal?
And
yeah.
then for physical, I put me.
Who is most likely to ink an embarrassing tattoo? I already know who you guys
Yeah.
put. I put me too.
Okay, who is most likely to make complaints all the time?
Yeah. I know what this is going. Okay.
When you're writing with an eraser. Okay.
Who's most likely to be the most honest person in the world?
Guys, why are we even doing this?
I said me.
I'm not saying that.
Okay, Victoria doesn't want to say this one, but who's most likely to suffer from diarrhea?
It's either me or you.
I think it's me.
Yeah, it's Kyrie.
Okay, she just changed her outfit. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Although Victoria doesn't have any social media, Lorraine has some, so you guys could go ahead and follow her on wherever. Her Instagram will be in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the little notification bell if you guys like this video, so that you guys don't miss another video. Anyways, we're not leaving yet. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Actually, I won't see you guys. You guys will see me. So you guys will see me later. Bye.
Bye.